Hello everyone, myself Dr. Komal Saraf. I am teaching in Prayosha Tutorials since 10 years, and teachers, as you know, are very important in students' life. They are next to God and they are like role models for the children, and the teachers are building the careers for them, so they are very important in their life. Now here we are today going to understand how the Prayosha Tutorials started. Now initially there were only private tuitions. We are going to homes and we were taking the private tuitions. Slowly we grew and we started a one classroom single center, and then now we have developed two centers with 4 classrooms, and we have taught more than 5,000 children. So here we are at Prayosha Tutorials to know from Sanjay Yadav sir how he started Prayosha Tutorials and what is his journey throughout till now. Okay sir, so tell me something about yourself, your background, and how you started Prayosha Tutorials. Like what made you start with Prayosha Tutorials?
Thank you so much, Komal ma'am, for introducing me and Prayosha Tutorials. Telling something about me is I've done post graduation, and this journey of Prayosha Tutorials is quite simple. We started our tuitions taking home, like going home and teaching all subjects. So it took me a decade to understand that you need to have a specialty of the subject. You need to have a place where we can improve, we can do something better and more for our kids. So this is how the thought of Prayosha Tutorials emerged.
Yes sir, so tell me about your role model, like who inspired you to start Prayosha Tutorials?
When you ask about who inspired, so there comes a very start of my journey. During the 11th and 12th grade, there was my math sir whose name was Sridhar sir. He always used to tell me that when you have to strengthen this subject, you have to practice this subject very well. So this thought developed in me very strongly, and I believe that with the effort you can achieve the success what you want.
So here we come to know Sanjay sir's role model is Sridhar sir, and he has inspired him, and he is your role model, right?
Exactly. So he helped us. He helped me in building up the base of my subject.
Yes sir. So tell me, how is Prayosha's teaching style unique from everyone?
So when you ask about uniqueness, so I can mention you 5 points where we can easily discriminate Prayosha. First, in our class you will see the teaching method is quite fun loving. The every class of our like maths, biology, physics, there is a students and teachers interaction. Second, we have small size batches like a strength of 10 to 15. Third, we have school wise batches. So if parents like the children have to, we teach children according to their school portion. Fifth, we have regular PTMs. Fourth, we have personalized attention and doubt solving session. So if the child is not doing well in one of the unit tests, for the second unit test, we make sure that we start their extra classes, extra lectures, so that we can clear all their doubts. And last, we have regular PTMs with the parents, so the parents can have a check what is their child's progress. So these are the 5 best possibilities which we offer to our kids.
And if we go to compare with other tutorials, like what are we doing which they are not doing, or they are missing out on?
Classes, we give them customized days and timings. We adjust the days and timings according to the parent and the children. So this is how we are very unique from the other tutorials, where we don't club 2-3 batches together, we don't club 2-3 timings together, and we make sure that regular school portion is being taught to them, and definitely revision with test is done with them. And apart from all these things, we have heard from our parents only that children like coming to our classes. It is not like that that they feel that oh tuition jana hai. They feel tuition jana hai like that.
Wow.
And this is how they run to us.
Wow, that's lovely, a unique point. Okay, so the next question which comes is, how do we prepare the kids for the school exams?
See, for school exams, we make sure that the child writes each and every chapter wise test, and we after chapter wise test gets over, before every unit test or every terminal exam, we make them write 2 mega tests. So this is how the child keeps on improving, and we are able to inform the parents कि what child is yet has yet not done, or he's doing what he's doing very well.
And so we update the parents on the WhatsApp groups that these are the marks which they have got and who has done the homework, who has not done the homework. So parents are totally up to date at what is happening in the classes. So they are absolutely tension free. Because the next question which comes is, sir, that if the students have different learning speeds, then how to tackle them?
This is a most important question, because when we take a batch of say 10 to 12, we see that 5 6 students are doing very good. We see that 2 3 students are not doing very good. So for those kids, we make sure that on the weekends we call them extra, or during the weekdays also we give them a certain time, like late evenings time or early mornings time, and we call them extra for the revision and for practice. So this is how slowly it takes time. Any child when comes new to us, it takes minimum 2 months to adjust. So once he is used to our pace, then there is no stoppage. It's a very smooth journey with the kid.
So once the rapport is built up, it becomes easy for us. And we also go to their homes also. If the classroom is not available, that doesn't mean that we will not take the extra class. If required, we reach to their houses and we go to their home to make them study the part which they have missed out, or where they are lagging behind.
Yes,
so that is our success story.
This is also one unique speciality of our class.
Yes, sir. So can you tell me about some success stories about your students?
Yes, definitely. We have many, but I would like to share one. Before 2 years, there was a student named Ayushi Shah from JB Vacha. She scored just 16 marks in her 9th standard finals.
Oh.
And after that, her confidence was very low. But later on, in 10th grade, the child understood that with regular practice, the practice from day one will change her result. She started practicing on regular basis from day one, and when the board result came, she was more than 90 marks in maths.
Wow.
So this is how the child's result improves.
Lovely. And I have seen students who don't like a particular subject, but with Prayosha's teaching, they fall in love with those subjects and they make their careers in those subjects. One of the students I remember is Tanmay Shelar. So I was teaching him since 8th, 9th, 10th. After 3 years, he has started becoming, now he's aspiring to become an engineer. So that's a great success. Okay, the next question is, sir, what parents normally want to know? Like, what is their query? What is their question to you?
Whenever like parents meeting happen or after the exam, when there is an open day, just common questions asked by parents are कि मेरे बच्चे को मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे, कितना क्लास में आती है, पूरा दिन स्कूल जाती है, स्कूल में पढ़ती है, क्लास में आती है, लेकिन मार्क्स नहीं आता है. सो आई वुड लाइक टू टेल ऑल दोज पेरेंट्स के सिर्फ क्लास में आने से या स्कूल जाने से, ट्यूशन जाने से मार्क्स नहीं आएंगे. See, there is a particular process which has to follow. Now, when you are sending a child to a class, we have a regular test pattern. For that tests, the child has to prepare from day one. And I always believe that if you start well, your good start is half done. अगर आप स्टार्टिंग से थोड़ा अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करोगे, so आपका 60% फॉर द फर्स्ट टेस्ट प्रिपेयर होगा, देन थोड़ा परसेंटेज वाइज वो नेक्स्ट टेस्ट के लिए बिल्डअप होगा. तो ड्यूरिंग द स्कूल एग्जाम योर प्रिपरेशंस विल बिकम कंप्लीट. सो अगर जल्दी शुरू करोगे तो आपका प्रिपरेशन डेफिनेटली अच्छा होगा. अगर आप एग्जाम के 2 दिन पहले या 3 दिन पहले या बड़ी टर्मिनल एग्जाम है उसके 15 दिन पहले भी शुरू करोगे, तो क्या है कि आजकल का आज जो जैसे पेपर्स आते हैं, एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड पेपर आते हैं, उसमें हम इतनी 100% जस्टिस नहीं कर सकेंगे. एंड आई ट्रूली बिलीव फॉर गेटिंग द बेस्ट रिजल्ट 95% ऑफ योर हार्डवर्क काउंट्स एंड 5% ऑफ योर इंटेलिजेंस काउंट्स. सो ज्यादा जितना आप मेहनत करोगे उतना ही आपको आगे सक्सेस मिलेगा.
So this way उनका सिर्फ एग्जाम फियर भी निकल जाएगा.
Exactly, that's perfect.
So that is very important ताकि वो टेंशन फ्री होकर अपनी स्कूल एग्जाम्स में फुल मार्क्स ला सके. So would you like to give some advice to the students?
Yes, definitely. I would like to give them a mantra कि students hard work, Prayosha teachers teaching, and God's grace is equal to success.
Wow.
And if kids want to experience You have to join Prayosha Tutorials.
And sir, the last question is, what are the future plans of Prayosha Tutorials?
We are on a mission. The students appearing for board exam has to get 100 on 100. That's our target, and we will try to achieve that.
All the best.
My dear students, hope you liked our podcast, and don't forget to subscribe and hit a like button. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Komal ma'am.
Most welcome. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.